This is the Brother HL-L3295CWD, and Brother says it's a low-cost, scalable color laser printer ready for home or small office duty. But after spending a week with it, I found a few surprises, good and not so good, that don't make it into the marketing slides. Is it really worth your hard-earned money? Let's dig in and find out. Brother HL-L3295CWD Printer Product Overview. Okay, so what are we looking at here? The HL-3295CWD is a single-function color laser printer from Brother, released fairly recently as their top-tier variant in that 32 ppm class family. It's pitched toward users who primarily need quality, color, and black and white printing, i.e. documents, graphics, reports, without needing scanning, copying, or faxing. The 3295 model differentiates itself from its siblings by offering more expandability, optional extra tray, a color touchscreen, and even NFC support. Brother HL-L3295CWD printer performance. Okay, so specs are fine and all, but what does it feel like to live with this printer day to day? Here's my take. Once warmed up, it hums along fast. Brother claims 31 pages per minute for both black and color, and in testing, I found it to be close enough. Lengthy documents flowed out briskly. In my sample jobs, color brochures, multi-page reports, there was never a sense of stuck waiting too long. The first page takes a bit more time, warm-up, but after that, throughput is solid. Printing text is reliably sharp. Even small fonts come out crisp. Brother claims excellent text quality. Color graphics and charts look punchy and serviceable, not photo studio level. How To Geek notes the standard 250-sheet tray and decent output quality for color docs. That said, a few real-world hiccups. Large color jobs, more pages, will heat things up, and print quality softness is more visible in very fine gradients or photographic areas. Also, because it's a laser, there's that laser halftone look in smooth color fills. You'll see dot patterns if you get close. Standard limitation rather than a flaw. Features and tech. Let's talk about what sets this one apart. The extras that make an already decent machine more compelling or more frustrating, depending on your use. Optional tray and expandability. The 3295CWD supports adding a second 250-sheet input tray, bringing you up to 500 sheets of capacity. That's a big deal for heavier users who don't want to refill paper every day. Color touchscreen and intuitive UI. It has a 2.7-inch color touchscreen, same as in its siblings, making configuration more user-friendly than a one-line LCD. The UI is responsive, though the finish smudges easily. NFC printing. A nice modern touch. This model supports NFC, so you can top a compatible device to initiate print jobs, handy in an office environment. Mobile and cloud integration. Brother's Mobile Connect app works well. You can send prints, monitor toner, even reorder supplies. The printer also supports AirPrint and Mopria, so you're not locked into the Brother ecosystem. Design and build. Visually and physically, this is a utilitarian beast. It's mostly plastic, as with most printers, but the build is solid. Trays slide cleanly, hinges feel sturdy, lids align well. At roughly 16.7 kilograms, or 36.8 pounds, and a footprint of about 15.7 inches by 17.6 inches by 10.8 inches, it's not desktop light. Plan for some space. The design is straightforward: front tray, top output shelf, touchscreen at a slightly raised angle. The exterior is matte, which helps mask dust, but if you have dark walls or show the printer off, fingerprints on the screen and plastic parts do show. Pros. Excellent for crisp text and color document printing. High throughput, approximately 31 ppm for both black and color. Expandable with extra tray, good for medium workloads. Modern features: color touchscreen, NFC, mobile printing support. Cons. No scanner, copier, or fax. Print only. Image or photo quality is limited. Narrow color gamut, visible dot patterns. Cost for consumables, toner and drum, is not negligible. Bulky and heavy, not ideal for tight desk setups. Final verdict. So who should get the HL-L3295CWD and who might want to look elsewhere? If your workload is dominated by documents, reports, full-color presentations, or graphics, and you rarely or never need scanning or copying, this machine could be a sweet spot. The fast speeds, strong mobile integration, and expandability make it a serious contender for small offices or power users who just need printing muscle. Even for home offices with moderate use, it's compelling.